Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Kiosk Infosystems. So today we'll be learning company's attendance management. Company attendance management is important as it can help us to determine whether the business is on the right track with its employee or not. Or not for the company, you can also have a positive long-term impact on the cost and its benefits, as it will help you avoid non-productive movements due to the absenteeism in your company. We will use it to determine which employees arrive late consistently or is not on track. Absences, if we need to talk to them, we'll talk to them and confirm the problem about them. But like with any kind of monitoring or reporting, it can be difficult and costly. But for the same reason, we will use Odoo's attendance app. To simplify it by using Odoo, we will have an accurate depiction of our employees' attendance. So let's jump to the start. Now, let's see how this works. So here I am at the dashboard and I'll straight away jump to attendance by typing attendance on the dashboard. Right? So I'll click on the attendance. Here you can see that an application will open. So here, when we go to the attendance, this open and I'll straight away check out or check in, right? So you see how easy that was. However, it is possible that your employees might not always check out or check in from the back end. So we should have some another thing, right? So for that we have a Kiosk mode. So here the employee will select their employee name and enter the PIN and checking or check out even with the scan by scanning their badges. So we'll activate this option. We'll go to the configuration and from here we'll activate the option employee PIN. So for this, right, we need to go and to the employees first to create the PIN. So we'll go to the dashboard again and we'll type employee over here, right? So we'll go to employees and here I'll find the name. So the admin was Michelle, right? So I'll click on admin and his details will appear. So now I'll click on the HR settings and here I'll generate the PIN. So for that I need to go to the edit, and once I have edited it, so I'll be generate this PIN and let it be 1111. And let the badge ID be anything you can give or you can generate it as well. So I'll let it generate. So Odoo is generating the badge ID for you. So here you can see that Odoo has generated the badge ID. Now you can print that badge. So if I print this badge, you can see a barcode has created which an employee can scan and get himself checked in. Since now I have the PIN, I'll go back and check it again in the attendance. Here I'll go into Kiosk mode and you can see, so here you can scan your badge and here I'll go with identify manually, right? So once I get the page, I'll click on my admin and here you can see that PIN has appeared. So my PIN was 1111. I'll type it here and see I've checked in. Now I'll go and check my attendance. So for that I'll again navigate myself to attendance. So we'll go to check in, check out, and here once the check in, check out is there, you see I have checked in. So Odoo is telling me that you have checked in, but I have not checked out. So Odoo knows this, that when you have checked in and when you have checked out, right? Now if I want to check out, I can go to the Kiosk mode to check out, or I'm already logged in to this dashboard, so I can easily check out from here, right? So now as you can see that it's simple that you can use Odoo attendance apps so easy, so conveniently, and you will not have any problem whether your employee blink badge or not. They can use their work and just it works for them brilliantly. This was all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us for more.